Lay plans. If you have plans in mind, here is the process to make them go fine. Start by focusing on the rewards your plans are offering. As you decide what they truly are, focus on these rewards and your plans will go far. To improve your plan's progress, always strive to be your best. Get up every day and improve yourself in some way. Build your wisdom. Do this and good ideas will come. To make your plan strong, rethink ideas that are wrong. Let each idea teach how your plans can be reached. Strive to be better in all that you do, and your plans will improve too. With every task, believe that you can always win. This belief will give you confidence to begin. Then, every day do one part that challenges you. This habit will enhance what you do. And always remember to be a person who plans and acts positively. You only reach plans that you think about and say, so study and plan in a positive way. And if you can't solve difficulties in a plan, just put little advances near that you do understand. If you follow these steps in your planning, you and your plans will start succeeding. So study and improve your plans with haste and put them in the right place. Get them to where you are satisfied that your plans can be applied. And remember, this plans process will produce life and network success.